Hi friends, welcome back to my channel youtuberviji. In this video I am going to show you how to use the sheet mask. These are Korean sheet masks. They are considered to be the best. This is Kara Beauty Radiance and Lifting Face Mask Gold. I got these three for just 99 rupees and they are the best for winter season. You have to simply wash your face, take out the sheet mask, put it on the face, keep it for 10 to 20 minutes and then you have to remove it. You need not wash after removing this. You have to simply leave your face. It is best to use it before going to bed so that your skin will be hydrated for the entire night period and you will be getting a very hydrated skin. And these are very easy to use in winters. So I will show you how to use them. Clean your face properly, then take out the sheet mask. It will be having holes for eyes, nose and mouth. So accordingly you have to put the sheet mask on your face. Adjust it properly and it's done. After 20 minutes I am removing it, and in the packet you will have some more serum. You have to take it out and massage it all over your face and simply leave it. You don't wash it afterwards, simply leave it and go to bed. So isn't it very easy to use sheet mask? They contain a lot of serum that is very beneficial for your skin. So I hope this video was useful to you. I will come up with another very interesting video. Until then, bye bye, take care.